Hello, my name's Clay Lamb here at American Chimney. I'm often questioned, what the heck is a smoke chamber? The firebox is where you put your wood. Above it is an upside down funnel. That's called the smoke chamber. It's designed to pull the smoke from the firebox all the way up through to the flue. What happens a lot of times is they're improperly constructed. The building materials were not properly installed or designed properly. Reconstruction is not that difficult today. There's a lot of great products out there to reparge a smoke chamber to make it smooth like it's supposed to be. When you look up in there, it's open bricks, holes in the bricks, or actually one thick wall, you might have a problem. A couple of reasons why people need smoke chamber repair. Number, there could have been damage from water. There could be mortar joints missing. It may have had construction default where it's never built and designed properly, causing smoke issues. The building codes require that they're supposed to be parged smooth to allow that smoke to rifle up from the bottom of the firebox through the smoke chamber all the way up through the flue. About 50% of fires we deal with are actually on the smoke shelf. That's the area at the bottom of a smoke chamber. That's where the gases catch on fire and actually ignite and go all the way through the flue. A couple of ways that you can repair a smoke chamber. One, it actually needs a masonry repair. Some are actually that you spray on materials, and some are actually hand parged and fitted and shaped to give a smoother transition inside of it. A smoke chamber repair is crucial. The fireplace won't function properly. If it's not parged smooth, it's not going to transition smokes and gases up that flue. The smoke chamber is designed to move the gases up there. You don't want those gases hanging out up in that smoke chamber area. If you're experiencing smoking problems or draft problems in getting the fireplace started or slowing down, give me a call here at American Chimney. My number is 662-4600. My name's Clay Lamb. I'll be glad to help you out with your problems.